guys, I'm back. So today I'm gonna create this makeup look right here. I'm using Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Then using a puff to blend all of my foundation right into my skin. Followed by my Nars Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm using it under my eyes. Then I'm gonna set everything down with my Mercier translucent powder. Favorite contour palette from Kat Von D. It's the Shade and Light Face palette. I'm trying out 3CE face blush in rose beige, and I gotta say I love it. I think it looks pretty good. As always, I could never forget about highlighter. So today I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Dripping in Gold on my brow bone, my upper cheeks, and my nose bridge. Staple DIY brow bar from Soap & Glory. I'm just filling out some empty spaces on my brows, and then I'm gonna blend them with my spoolie, and then I'm setting it out with my brow mascara from Maybelline. Decay Born to Run palette. It's been a month since I had this palette and I love it. I can create so many looks, but today I'm gonna keep it natural as always. I'm gonna use liquid eyeshadow from Stila and Kitten in the middle of my eyes. I have tried so many eyeliners, and this one from Clio is one of the best. I live in a tropical country and it never melts. It's just amazing. Mixing L'Oreal Lash Paradise and Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara together. These two mascaras do wonders for me. I mean, look at it. Everyone can finally see my lashes. See? Am I right? It looks so good in my opinion. I'm using Dior Lip Tattoo in 351 Natural Nude. Using my highlighter again on the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm gonna set everything down with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I love this thing. And I'm done! Thank you for everyone for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on what should I do next. Bye!